Hey guys, today we're going to go find some waterfalls. They're called, what are they? Kuang waterfalls. We've seen them on numerous videos on YouTube, so we're going to go try and find them today ourselves. We just arrived at the waterfalls, and when you enter it says you're supposed to pay 20,000 kip each, but we didn't, we just walked in. And there's when you walk in, as soon as you walk up the path, there's like a caged off area, and it's got some bears in it, and this is where we are now. I want them to come over here.
No, me too.
Oh, there's a little platform where you can look at them. Yeah, that's the little one I was telling you about. Oh. This is the size of the bears compared to Kiwi. These are the different types of bears as well. Polar bear, brown bear, American black bear, giant panda, moon bear, and a sun bear. At the place that we're at now, there's 38 rescued moon bears, they're called. 38 of them have been rescued and put here. We don't know what they're rescued from, but they have, and they're put here. Bear biofarms, that's what they're kept for. That's the, yeah, maybe they must be able to make something from them.
I'm sure if we had a red orb.
Yeah. 10 years some of them are kept in there for. Cage. Here we go. So the bears are rescued from medical research centres, and apparently they use bile from the bears to make medicine. And apparently there's a was it Chinese? I think it was a Chinese medicine that does the same, or has the same effect as it. So they're rescued from those centres and brought here, 38 of them. Just walking up to the waterfalls now.
Oh wow.
It looks really nice.
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
Water's really clear. Well, not clear, but like bluish, I guess.
Really blue.
I really wish we had the GoPro.
Me too. I think there's like all different tiers.
There's a lot of people here though.
Yeah.
So this is the very bottom. Apparently there's quite a few tiers that you can climb up, and there's more waterfalls at each tier, so we're gonna climb up them all and check out all of them and go swimming as well. This is like Instagram heaven right here. So ridiculously busy here. I thought that it'd be the end of New Year, so I thought it'd be really quiet now, but still so busy. This is super cool. Look at this. About 4 tiers up, and this is what it looks like around the 4th tier. I'm just taking some long exposure shots as well with my camera. I'll show you what they look like after this. Hey bud. Here's the big part of the waterfall. We're at the bottom at the moment. We're going to climb to the top, hopefully. The waterfall runs alongside the stairs.
Yeah.
This is just like Krabi all over again.
No. Oh my god, is this it?
Yeah. Have come down for a dip in the water. We're at the top now, and I'm just looking directly down of the waterfall, and this is what it looks like directly down. Walking back across the waterfall now. We're going to see what's on the other side. Hopefully there's somewhere to swim.
toe.
Kaylee just hurt her toe and one of the monks laughed at her. It's so good. It seems to be all the videos are us having struggles getting out of the jungle. Back down the bottom. This is where we were, we're up here. We're gonna go swim now. Heading back down the bottom now. In the water there's these little fish, they bite your feet. No, it doesn't. It doesn't really matter what time you come here. I think it's just going to be people here always. Very busy. Back of the bear cage. Oh, listen to that. Whoa, listen to that roar. Back down the bottom now, someone parked us in, standard. This bike's got a security system. We're gonna head back down the bottom now, get some food because we're both starving, and Kaylee's gonna have a go at spinning the camera back down. We just got back from the waterfalls. We're gonna go up and try and get the sunset and redeem ourselves from yesterday. We'll see you up there. Another fail. It's raining right now. We're gonna just, I don't know, what are we gonna do now? Yeah, go get food, I guess.